Hi, I am Nishtha and we are back with another video of Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace. In our previous video, you have seen how we can add commission for the seller as an admin. And today in this video, we'll check how the seller can raise request for the payment and how the admin can pay to the seller or fulfill the request raised by the seller. So what to wait? Let's dive in. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. So we'll check how the seller can raise requests for the payment to the admin. So here you can see the option of sellers. Click on sellers and then go to my profile. Here you can see the option for request for payment. Click on this and then here the seller can add the amount which he wants from the admin. Write down the amount and the description for the payment and click on payment request. You can see the payment request has been generated. Now the admin must have received this request from the seller. So here we are on the admin dashboard and on the left hand side there is the home menu option. Click on this and navigate towards the seller dashboard. Then we'll click on sales. In the sales you can see the option of seller payments. Click on this and there we can see the request which we have generated right now as a seller. So we'll open that. And as an admin, the admin can confirm this seller payment from there, clicking on confirm and then clicking on approve and create invoice. Now again confirm there, register payment, create payment. The payment has been done successfully. That means the admin have given the payment to the seller which the seller have raised the request for. If in case admin wants to pay to the seller from its own, the admin can do that as well. By clicking on this sales, you can see the option of pay to seller. Click on this and here you have to choose the seller to which you want to pay. Here you can see the catchable amount is mentioned. That means only this much or under this much amount the admin can be able to pay to the seller, or if the seller is requesting, so the seller can also request under this much amount, that is catchable amount. Here we have to write down the payment amount, then write down the payment memo, payment description. Click on pay now. We'll open this record from there and click on confirm. Again approve and create invoice. Then click on confirm again. Register payment from there and click on create payment. The admin have paid to the seller from its own. So this is how admin can pay to the seller if the admin wants to pay from its own. Now if the seller wants to check this payment at its seller dashboard, the seller can check. Let me show you that. Here we are back on the seller dashboard. We'll refresh this page from there. So here you can see the request which we have raised from the admin for the payment is fulfilled by the admin. And the admin have paid to the seller from its own is also mentioned here. So this is how you can also raise the request as a seller and can fulfill the request raised by the seller as an admin. I hope now you must have understood how you can configure or manage the Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace. Here our playlist journey ends. Found this video insightful? Do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. For more such kind of videos or playlists, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Got a question for all of this? Reach us at support@webcool.com or raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. See you all in our upcoming videos. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.